Alrighty. This is what I'm doing today. I'm making samosas. But the good part is I made my own samosa wrap, which is a new thing. And I'm trying them out. So let's do this. It's taking a while because I just made my paper, the wrapping paper for the samosa. It's something new, so and different. I want to see how it goes. This I made like I've seen on the internet. Everybody doing this. I like to try something new, so I tried it. It worked fairly. So yep, that's where my wrapping paper comes from for my samosas. And I'm using leftover rice, just like that. Simple. Abracadabra. Gotta give it a couple of minutes to maybe get a better color. Just like that. Alrighty. And guess what? They are just at the right color. There we go with our samosa. Yay! Look at this. Ooh. Ready to be devoured. Yummy. That's out of shape, but that's okay. Bruh, come on. I cannot. Yep, there we go. First bunch, looking good. This is my other bunch, so we're gonna put it in the oil and see how that goes. I have some rugged pepper wrap, but it's gonna work. There we go. I need some of these random things to fry. There we go. Alrighty. This foodie is incoming, and we are frying some samosas. I made my own wrap and it was kind of disastrous. I made it work, so let's do this. Whoa, whoa, that won't let me do that. I'll let it be, bruh. Okie dokie. Samosas, samosas, delicious. Okay, it's gonna be a slow fry, so let's give it time. So far, so good. They look ready. Ready. They're also brown, but they're perfectly brown. So those go out. I kinda ate the ones I first made, so that's that. This bottom good. It is good. Uh-oh. It fell out. Okay. I'll find a way to pick it up. I have a few left and then we call it a day. Alrighty. Da. One last drop. Ooh, fire. Making sambusa is interesting. Better to eat them for sure. Alrighty, that's my last lunch. As I make a big sound of it. Okay, there we are. And my hands are everywhere. Let's do it. They look ready. This with a nice bowl of sauce. I'm eating mine with ketchup, obviously, but you can do anything else. Yep, I just made rice samosas. It could be minced beef or anything. or vegetable samosas. Mine is simple. Alrighty, let's do this. These are ready. She ready. Yep, she is definitely ready. Big pregnant samosa. Just don't eat too many. Just what the doctor ordered. One and done, really? I think so. I ate more than one, but yeah. Theory versus practical. That's what's up. These look good, ready-made. These are the rest of them. And I've been eating mine with tomato sauce, of course. I put soy sauce in mine, but I'll try this thing, this nameless thing. Very crunchy, very textured. Inside soft, outside chewy. Ciao. Bon appetit. I woke up and made this. Can you believe it? Yes, I can believe it. They just turned out perfect, even if the process was long and very, very imperfect. Bon appetit.